Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some chicken gizzard, some French fried chicken gizzard. So that's my chicken gizzard there. It's already washed, it's clean. I wash it with lemon and with vinegar, okay? So these are all of my seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay? You can always add some onion powder to it. Mine is finished, so I didn't get the chance to use any. Okay? So to get it started, first I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna also add 2 spoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, just for it to be moist and for the seasoning to stick on the chicken. So that's why. So now I'm just gonna blend all of my seasoning together. Just make sure it is all combined. So after you blend all of your seasoning together, now you're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna sprinkle it all on your chicken gizzard, okay? So now I'm just gonna take my hands are clean, and I'm just gonna massage my chicken gizzard. Just massage all that seasoning right on your chicken gizzard, okay? So I'm just gonna add some more of my seasoning, not a lot because I'm gonna leave back some for my flour mixture. So my chicken gizzard is all seasoning. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour, okay? So these are some of my other ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of plain flour, and I also have 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk, okay? And I'm gonna also add 4 spoonful of hot pepper sauce, okay? So I'm just gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left to my plain flour, and I'm gonna also add some more garlic powder. I'm gonna add at least 1 spoonful, okay? So now I'm adding my garlic powder, as you can see. So guys, I also add some salt to my flour mixture. I add at least 1 teaspoon. So now I'm just gonna take my fork and just blend it all together. Just make sure it is all combined, okay? So that's my 2 eggs right there. So I'm just taking my fork and just mix it all together. And after, I'm just gonna add my hot pepper sauce. Then you're just gonna mix it as you're adding it, okay? So now I'm gonna add my milk to my egg mixture. So after you add your milk, guys, you just wanna mix it, okay? Just make sure, as I said, it is all blended. So now I'm just gonna add all of my wet ingredients to my chicken gizzard. Just make sure it is all coated, okay? You're just gonna take your spoon or your fork and you're just gonna take your time and just mix it so it is coated. So here I have my chicken gizzard and I also have my flour mixture, as you can see, and I've got my plate right there on the side. So now I'm just gonna take my chicken gizzard and I'm just gonna coat it to my flour. I'm gonna coat it like 2 times, guys, okay? But even though I did say 2 times, in the end of it, I doing it at least 1 time. I was coating it 1 time because it was taking too long and I couldn't be bothered, so I just coat it 1 time. But it's all up to you, okay? So after you coat it, you just want to make sure you shake off the excess flour. Honestly, guys, the chicken gizzard take a lot of time to coat because I'm using a lot. But you know what? It is worth it in the end because it's gonna be so nice and so crispy and full of flavor. But it's a lot of work. Honestly, it is. So my chicken gizzard is almost cooked. As you can see, guys, it's a lot of mess. Trust me, it is a lot of mess. Look at my hands. My hands are so messy. So finally guys, all of my chicken gizzard is all coated and that's what it look like. Perfect. So my pot is on the fire now and my oil is hot. I add at least 1 cup of vegetable oil. So now I'm adding my chicken gizzard. Just make sure, guys, your stove is not turned up too high. You can leave it for at least medium to low heat, at least medium heat, okay? Do not fill your pot with all your chicken gizzard because you want your chicken gizzard to fried properly. So please put a small amount, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna fry my chicken gizzard for at least 7 to 8 minutes on each side, okay? So now I'm just gonna turn my chicken gizzard and guys, I'm telling you, they are so crispy, they look so golden, they look amazing. I mean, just look at it. It don't even look like chicken gizzard really. It look like chicken breast. Yeah, that's how it look like. So now guys, I'm gonna remove my chicken gizzard and just put it on a cooling rack so it keep crispy. Okay. So now I'm just gonna add some more of my chicken gizzard. Just make sure your oil is still hot before you add it, okay? So now I'm just gonna turn my chicken gizzard. So guys, if you see any bits leave back in your oil, you can always remove it, okay? So now I'm just gonna add some of my remaining chicken gizzard that's left. So now I'm just removing my chicken gizzard. Guys, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video, and please share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please guys, I'm asking you guys, please do help me out. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And hit that notification button, guys, for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Okay, so stay tuned. So all of my chicken gizzard is all fried and it looks so yummy. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling no matter what, cause God is always on your side. Stay blessed, guys. Love you. Bye. So guys, I've done a video on how I make my sweet and sour sauce with my chicken gizzard. You can please go check it out, okay? Because it is epic, it is delicious. I'm telling you, you guys got to check it out. And don't forget to share with your families and with your friends, okay?